Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Jahaneman. Today is Monday, the most important day of the week, the first day of the week. And we have dedicated this day for the most important section of the society. I mean, the teachers. Yes, today on every Monday, we present a special program for all the teachers named Motivate Million Teachers. Teachers motivate millions of students, and whosoever can read and write must thank to a teacher. But who will motivate the teachers? We all have to motivate the teachers. And who can motivate the teachers better than a teacher herself? Yes, we the teachers have to motivate each other and move ahead and lead the society and bring the changes whatever the society wants. Ladies and gentlemen, today for this special program to motivate million teachers, we have a special teacher from Dubai, a special teacher from Buds Public School, Dubai. And let's welcome our guest for today's show, Mrs. Gurpreet. Hello, Miss Gurpreet, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. I'm fine. How about you?
I'm also good. So it's nice to see you, Gurpreet, here at this show.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's pleasure of mine that you invited me again, and I am a part of Jahaneman, and I'm of course working with you. So I'm very excited for today's session.
Gurpreet, you know, Jahaneman means my world. So this world belongs to everyone. And it is so wide that it can accommodate everyone and it can embrace everyone. So welcome to
Right.
the show. And today, as we are going to talk about the professional development, I think the teachers are the ones who have realized that it's important for them to update their knowledge, update their personality, update their skills, update their digital literacy, digital empowerment. And that's why I have seen the teachers are taking so many courses, attending workshops, seminar and conferences. That's really a very good sign, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Professional development is very important for time to time that we have to upgrade ourselves because it's motivate us towards to the new education, new learning, new techniques. So today we are going to talk about the professional development, why it is important, and why we have to teachers update ourselves time to time. So I would like to share my screen, ma'am. May
Yes,
I?
please. Yes, please.
Thank you. So I'm going to welcome to all to Jahani Man, and thank you to Sadia ma'am. Today we are going to talk about the professional development. What is professional development? When this question comes to in our mind, or when we are listening this question, we are thinking about why it is needed, why we need to take a professional, what is the professional development means, why it is required in our life. So
One
I
minute,
remember.
please. Can you make it on the slideshow so it is going to occupy more space? Can you?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, that's good.
Yes. So when this question comes to in our mind, we are thinking about the professional development. What is professional development? Why it is required time to time for us? So here I'm going to show you the professional development is a training for development skills. We have to coach ourselves. We have to gain the knowledge. We have to learn new teaching skills. We have to attend some workshops to upgrade ourselves. I remember one of my friend that she was back in India, and she was having the good knowledge in education. She was having a good academic records. And one day, one company came from another country, and they was hiring some teachers because they wanted to the education that they can take some teachers from India to go to the another country, and they can spread their knowledge there as well. She went for interview, she conducted, and she got some questions, but she got confused. When she came back, I was very excited to know about what happened there. Maybe she got a job, she got the new opportunity, but she was sad. I got very upset, and I asked her, I was curious to know about that, why she's sad, why she didn't get the opportunity. Then we had a cup of tea together and we discussed. Then I asked the questions to her. What questions they asked you? Then she said, they asked me about the workshops. They asked me about the seminar. They have gone through my resume, and at the last, they said that, did you attend any workshops, any seminars, which is conducted past in 1 year? Then she said no. Then they have not given any answer, and they said, okay, we'll let you know that. And she came back. She didn't get the call. So then I got to know that, oh my God, it means that our education is not enough to towards to our profile, towards to our education. Our academic knowledge is not enough what we have learned. It is very important that we have to upgrade ourselves through the workshops, through the seminars, and through the any professional development courses. Now here I am going to talk about the professional development framework. The professional development framework is a specialized content, knowledge, and skill. It is really important that we have a good content knowledge. And how we will get the content knowledge? If we can attend the seminars, because the technology, the method of teaching, upgrading day by day, and we have to learn. Then it is leadership management. We are a good teachers. We can handle the class. But is that we can handle a leadership quality? Is that we have a leadership quality? Is that I am able to deliver my words to my management, what I am expecting? Because as a teacher, I also have some expectations. So another thing is career development. Professional development courses, they are giving us the opportunity to develop our career. We have to develop our career, to learn through technologies, through methods. Then it's totally depend on the personal development as well. If we will develop ourselves, our personality, we are able to deliver our words. And the most important is a communication. Communication is a most important part. If we can communicate with our colleagues, with our seniors, and we can communicate surrounded people who are near to us, then we are getting a knowledge, we are gaining a knowledge. Now, here I am going to talk about in professional development courses. There are some training objectives which are very important. Now, without clear objective, is it possible that we can, what we are expecting, we are gaining or we are delivering? So we have to set 2 parameters, and here I am going to tell you about the objectives, which is unclear and which is clear. So first I will start with the objective without clear objective participants. Those people who don't have a clear objectives, they don't know what they are going to do, what they are doing. They are unable to deliver their knowledge. It is unclear about what they are expecting. Maybe they're expecting, if I'll talk about a salary, but is that, can they expect if they're not delivering those things which the management is expecting? Then fail to grasp the intent outcome. Now here, if we are unable to deliver the proper knowledge, we are unable to show our talent, what we have. We don't know how we can say, how we can say anything, like how we can deliver our speech, how we can communicate. We will not get the outcome. And the outcome is, when we are working as in any position, it is really important that we have to upgrade and we have to go to the one level to next level. Now, another one is a lack of transfer of learning. If we are not enrolling ourselves for professional development course and technologies, then it is really, it's not possible that we can learn. How we will learn if our academic knowledge is not enough that we can show our performance in our workplace. Now, if we will talk about the clear objective design, if we have designed all the objectives, our mindset is clear, we know what we are going to do, then the logical intent outcomes will come out. Means that I know if I'm going to teach tomorrow in class, but I have set the clear objective, I have planned everything today, then of course tomorrow will be my best day. Whoever so come in my class, I will never feel, I will not get scared, because I know that I am already prepared for myself. I know what I am going to do. Then we are able to deliver, we are able to make a strong foundation, which is a very important. Then intent and the boundaries. When we are working, we are coming out from our house, we have to create some boundaries. It is really important in our workplace, we have to create some boundaries which give us one level to another level. The next, I am going to talk about the professional development key characteristics. It is simple NSP. When I am saying NSP, people are keep asking me, what is NSP? Why you are always telling us that you have to implement NSP? You have to implement NSP. Then I am telling only these three words. NSP, the first one, never stop learning. This is a very important part. I am sure like we all need to learn every day because the technologies are changing day by day. We have to upgrade ourselves. So we have to learn every day. Sometimes we are learning from our elders. Sometimes we are learning from our juniors. So never feel shy. Never feel like why I have to learn. No, why? I ask question to yourself. Oh, this is a good thing. I can grasp. I can implement. Learning can be anywhere. Learning can be a formal, or learning can be informal. So first, I am going to talk about the informal learning. Informal learning means that it can be anywhere, in our school place or in our work area, anywhere. When you are sitting with your colleagues, you are discussing something, then we are also learning. They are sharing their ideas, we are sharing our thoughts. So this is also called learning. Learning can be sometimes when we are attending a workshops, work seminars. Sometimes it can be paid or sometimes it can be free. So that is called when we are attending a free, then it is a informal learning, we can say. But now we are going to talk about the formal learning. Formal learning, that we have to enroll ourselves for some professional development courses. Why? Because we want to learn. We want to understand the new technologies. We want to grasp some knowledge. This is called formal learning. Formal learning as important as informal learning. Now, if I'll talk about the next step, S, set professional development goals. This is also a very important part. We need to set some professional development goals in our career. How we can set? There are very simple steps which we can follow and we can set the goals. I know that I am not in good to teach phonics in my class. So what I can do? I can enroll myself something phonics for courses. I know that I am unable to deliver a math chapter. So what I can do? I can find out something which can help me out. I can contact with my mentors. Please teach me how I can deliver this. I can ask the question to myself. whether I am going good or no. I need to check. I need to evaluate myself every time. This is also very important. So once you will start evaluating yourself, then you will start gaining, you will start developing your personality towards to your career and towards to your personal life as well. Now, the last part is a professional development can help overcome failure. The failures are the brightest. The failures. I have seen so many. I can see myself. I am a failure. I learn from my mistakes only. If we will not do mistakes, how we will learn in our life? So once you are doing a mistake, accept yourself. Accept. Yes, I did a mistake. Try to do it again. Maybe you will fail again. Again, the again and again process makes us a perfect. So it is really important. Then we have to keep try. We have to motivate ourselves. We have to learn the things from others, sometimes from our mistakes as well, because mistakes makes us perfect. So this is the way. If we will start learning, we will never fail. Now, the professional development courses. Professional development courses are very important in our life. Why? The professional development courses give us a good knowledge about in new technologies. I have completed the whole education in 2010. Now, what about after 2010? Now it is 2021. We can see the changes. This in one decade is complete only. So how I am going to know about what is going on what happened in this decade? 10 years ago, what I have learned, that was completely different. I was sitting in a class, teacher was teaching me, and I was learning. But if we will talk about current situation, we are handling online classes as well as face-to-face learning. So this is the call changes. This is the call advancement. Now, how we will learn all the technologies? If we will enroll ourselves for some professional courses, which can upgrade ourselves, which can give us an opportunity to go to the one level to next level. This is the important part. This is a very important step. If we can enroll, if we can go for some professional courses, that of course, every time the course, when we are enrolling, we are learning through the workshops, through the seminars, we are gaining. Because education, people can take everything from you, everything, but your education, nobody can take you. This is yours education till your last breath. So this is the important part of which I want to share. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Ms. Gurpreet. It was really spoken from the heart, and it was quite beneficial, informative, and motivating for the teachers. That's really true that we have passed 2 decades, 3 decades ago, and now the entire lifestyle is changed, the entire world is changed. We cannot expect the students to learn in the same way as we learned. So this is the high time when we have to think of professional development, and for that we have to take as many courses as possible. There are so many free courses available, there are so many paid courses available. And Gurpreet, recently you have attended one course, isn't it, for your professional development?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So of course, I want to share my experience for the course of film, which I have attended, and I learned so many things. I can say that before the course, I was having the knowledge of many things, but I was not that confident, which you can see me today. I was not that confident to deliver my speech. I was not unable to talk. I was gaining the knowledge, but the confident, it is going behind every time. When it comes to talk with the people, I was getting scared. Oh my God, I don't know what he's going to think about me. Today I can say that I have already crossed that level. And of course, this is because of you. So
It's
thank you so much, ma'am, for that.
not me, there is a course and we have a team. So it's
Yes,
combined efforts, like Dr. Ram from Singapore is
yes,
there, Dr. Mrs. Reena
yes.
is there. Then
I'm thankful to Dr. Ram
there.
sir. I'm
Yes.
thankful to Halima ma'am, and of course, I'm thankful to Reena ma'am as well, because the film course is it is not just like a sitting and we are listening the lecture. It is the course which when we are talking with each other, it is just like a communication going on in between us. So we learn so many things. So it was a superb course, and of course, I will motivate others as well, to as many as people to join this course, because I want to see other teachers on that stage where I am standing right now. So I want that everyone can go forward, not behind.
Thank you very much. And Ms. Gurpreet, now we have come to the end of our program.
Thank you so much.
So let me share my weekly schedule with the viewers, so that since today is the first day of the week, naturally they will be very curious that what all we are going to show them this week. So this is the time. So this is the time when we have to show them our weekly schedule. They must be very eagerly waiting that what all are there in our weekly schedule. We have every day something or other. That you are clear about this. That we have every day something to share with them. And this week is very special because this week we have many things to share with them. This week we have two special programs as well, along with our regular programs. Tuesday, as usual, we have Read with a Book. And Wednesday, we have Shamia Ghazal by women. All women poetess are there. Then we have a special program of inauguration of Sufa Club. Then we have public speaking on Friday, where we have the chief guest from Singapore. Then we have Saturday Purple Book. And Saturday itself, we have one more special program. Our guests are from UK and they are going to teach the art of public speaking. And these are our upcoming programs in the coming weeks. And this is the film course. The second batch is ready to start the program. And along with film, now we have started one more new course, that is Feel. Feel is the digital empowerment course. This is also very useful for the teachers and for the students. So this is the weekly schedule where we have lots of things for everyone, lots of things for the teachers, for the women, for the children, and for everybody whosoever wants to be benefited by Jahaneman. So thank you very much, Gurpreet, for gracing
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
channel, and thank you for sharing such wonderful information with us, and thank you for appreciating our film course and recommending the course. Those who are watching this program, they all should try at least once to do this course and then find the difference. Thank you, Gurpreet, and see you next time.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.